welcome to Taipei, Taiwan. There is a time change, I beg your pardon, there is no time change between Taipei and Hong Kong. Time check for your convenience, it's 4 minutes past the hour of 9 in the morning, and the outside temperature is reported at 18 degrees Celsius or 65 degrees Fahrenheit. Once again, we sincerely apologize for the delay and we thank you for your patience and understanding. It is a safety requirement that you remain seated with your seatbelt fastened until the seatbelt sign has been turned off. Please be careful when opening the overhead compartments as items inside may fall out. Kindly take all your belongings with you when leaving the aircraft. Personal electronic devices with cellular functions may now be switched on. It has been a pleasure looking after you, and we hope to see you again soon. On behalf of Captain Erin Leslie and the entire team of CX-496, thank you for flying Cathay Pacific, a member of the One World Alliance. Good morning.
各位乘客，歡迎你到台北。為安全起見，請帶座位並保持安全帶扣上，直至扣上安全帶嘅燈號熄滅為止。當打開行李櫃時，請小心以免文件跌下。請離開機艙時帶齊所有嘅隨身行李，避免遺留喺機上。閣下現在可以使用手提電話及網絡功能嘅個人電子用品。我哋再次為延誤致歉，多謝你嘅忍耐同體諒。我哋好高興為閣下服務，希望好快就可以再同各位係環宇一家嘅成員國泰航空上見面。祝各位旅途愉快，各位乘客再見。各位旅客，歡迎您抵達台北。根據安全條例規定，在航行滑行期間，乘客必須留在座位上並繫好安全帶，直到扣上安全帶的指示燈熄滅為止。當你打開座位上方的行李櫃時，請小心櫃中的行李滑落。下機時，請帶齊所有的行李離開機艙。現在，您可以隨時使用備有通話功能的電子用品。對於本航班的延誤，我們深感抱歉，謝謝您的耐心等候，請諒解。謝謝你選擇寰宇家的服務搭乘國泰航空公司的班機，希望很快能再度與你見面。各位旅客，下次旅途再會。